The 15-minute is a lot of back and forth. Um, I mean, we have a bullish gap. We ran right through it to the lows, and then ran up, created another bullish gap, ran right through it to the lows. Um, and we have a very small bearish 15-minute gap that we're above right now, and it keeps going up and down over and below it. Very 15 minutes, very choppy right now. But we did sweep out the highs on the 15-minute. So this we're in a discount right now. I made sure I don't have a bracket on this morning. That shit got me yesterday, man. Um, mm. Yeah, that hourly looks like it wants to go higher. The hourly on NQ, not ES by any means, bro. ES looks weak. ES again doing the exact opposite of NQ. NQ's running up, or ES is moving down. uh, that 4 hour, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. That 4 hour on Nasdaq looks like we could be bullish, moving way higher. We've already came down and took out this previous swing low on the 4 hour chart, a daily low, and we've already broken 4 hour structure to the upside. But I see those equal lows at Asia low, which makes me think we'll go get those first and then make that move up. Yeah, that 5 minute candles. Jesus, bro. What the fuck? I'm thinking we go get those equal lows. Hey, anybody who was long right there just got cooked, bro. You know how many people just blew accounts right now? All right, so I'm thinking my short bias might be correct with those equal lows. Let's see if we can get a retracement to get short. Uh, see an area I'd like to get short at, possibly. Around the 100 level, 29,100 level. If it'll pull back for us, Jesus. That 5 minute candle is crazy looking, huh? Yep. Jesus, man. I'm gonna get short, but I gotta wait for this pullback first. Meanwhile, I'm waiting on that. I'm gonna change my screensaver on my computer. All right, getting that pullback. Damn, I didn't even really. It didn't pull back enough for me. Yeah, I don't really know if I can enter right here. Um, I'd much rather get in at that 100 level. I don't want that though. That would be worse because then the 5 minute candle would look like a liquidity sweep instead. You know, like this candle needs to close like this, get a 1 minute retrace up, and then a 1 minute break of structure back down for my entry. Because I really don't want this thing to be a sweep. I want it to be a break on the 5 minute. But we have to close below 55 for it to be considered a break. I'm watching. We got 10 seconds. If it's a sweep, I'm not trusting the short. That's the problem. And it's a sweep. Because now, if you look at the 5 minute, it looks like all we did was just sweep out 5 minute lows. Probably take that bitch long. That would be crazy, huh? It's very risky, though. I don't know, man. You did? Hell yeah. Watch this thing fully recover. That looked like a sweep to me. Now, this is where I wanted to get short. But the candles are kind of big, man. I don't like that. Yep. Maybe I should have took my own advice and went long. Wow. Wow. One of them days, huh? That's crazy. Now everybody who went short is fucking dead. Jesus. This market is kicking ass and taking names right now, bro. Now, see, I don't like the short anymore because that was a sweep, in my opinion, and that long would have killed it, bro. I could try to scalp long right now, actually. We'll see if it respects this 100 level, you know, get back above it, take the long. Yeah. Might try the long after that. That 5 minute is straight chop fest. No, no. This might make it easier for us, right? Because we're chopping on the 5 minute chart. All we need to do is wait for a break either direction, and then a retracement, and then get in line with that direction. ES is slowly moving down. kind of kind of bull flagging here, huh? Maybe. But we're in this gap. Like this is where I wanted to get short, but that 5 minute didn't break structure. Let me see. Hold on. But the 5 minute is bearish, anyways. Actually, no, it's not. It's still bullish because the opening 5 minute candle broke structure to the upside. Yeah, so I know it looks like shit, but the 5 minute is uh technically bullish. This 1 minute though, I don't know. Like this is where I wanted to get short before, but that was only if the 5 minute broke structure, which it did not. I got to remember that, you know. Like I don't want to get short for just no reason. I wanted to get short because I thought 5 was going to break to the downside, but it did not. Yep, and that settle candle's been completely bought back up. Damn, bro, I should have took that damn long. Really? All right, man. Yep. Looks like we're gonna be bullish. So, I guess now we look for. I mean, that was a good pullback. For now's a good time to get long, I guess technically. But the problem is the 1 minute gap that I was looking at it inversing was huge. I mean, it was basically that entire 5 minute down candle. So could get long here, but it's very risky. The stop is huge. Like my stop loss would have to be all the way down at the 70s, which is fucking almost 100 points. Well, Oh shit, I'm tired. um, let me look at this higher time frame and see what we're doing. Yeah, bro. To be honest, I don't really see anywhere that we can head on the 4 hour at all. There's no gaps, and the highs are too far. Let me let me check the daily. This would be crazy. Like if we're gonna actually continue downward on the daily chart, there's a small gap that we would need to fill at the 450 level or the 420s. And then on the hourly chart, we just took out hourly highs. So if we get a 5 minute break of structure back down, I'll continue looking for those shorts to the equal Asia lows. Now, are you looking at this 5 minute? Because this looks like a sweep. We have 30 seconds left on this candle. Do you see that? I might get short. We're breaking structure. No, it's not too late. Because if we break 1 minute structure here, if we close below 125, bro, it didn't even break structure. What the? I'm not gonna lie, man. This price action this morning is kind of all over the place in my opinion. When it looks like it's gonna break, it pulls right back up, and it doesn't. But we swept out 1 minute lows. That 5 minute candle closed as a sweep again. So we have massive wicks to the downside, and we have a huge wick to the upside. And when that happens, range day, bro. Fuck it. But I have targets. That gives me targets. So that's good. I might end up trying this damn short.
Order filled.
I'm giving it a shot here. I'm going to trail this if I can. Trailing. All right. I got my loss back from yesterday. Perfect, man. I got my loss back from yesterday. I think I did. Hold up. Oh yeah, I'm stupid, man. I was only down $96 yesterday. I just made 140. So, all right, man. I'm in good shape. I'm in great shape right now. I was still thinking I was down 170 yesterday. Now, technically, still have not broke structure to the downside. We're about to though in 10 seconds on the 1 minute. Probably gonna go sweep out the 20 level. Yeah, we broke structure to the downside now. Now let's look at this 5 minute. Yeah, sweeps, bro. Sweeps on both ends. That was a great little short right there. I just want to trade my funded account, man. I still haven't traded it. Just waiting to get this damn other funded. You think I should trade them separate or what? Putting them together would be pretty cool though. Yeah. I just know like right now I'm kind of missing out on the opportunity to make money because I'm not trading it. But if I could trade both together, man. And you're gonna laugh, dude, because whenever I get them both together, I'm gonna trade so light. I swear, I'm probably gonna just start with two micros and 1 to 2 trades a day. See how I do, and then just slowly increase my size. Fuck, man, this 5 minute candle just got bought all the way back up. Jesus. Yeah, we're clearly in a fucking range right now. I'm just trying to be patient, bro. I've taken one trade so far. Excuse me. Hey, my win rate is over 70%. Yeah. I would take the short, but we're stuck in this range and we're not. I just don't see what it rejected off of. There's a moving average there, but I don't really use moving averages like that. I don't. It's weird, but you know how like people say we're holding this moving average. I don't think that's really how that shit works. I don't even know how to explain that, but basically, I think the we know the candles create the moving average line. So I think that even though a moving average is there, the candles obviously are still going to do whatever they want to do, and that's why I don't use them for rejections. But if there's a gap there, if the moving average is inside of a gap, now that right there is something I will use. Short or long? It's probably a good thing. Yeah, we're inversing that gap to the downside. See if it'll take out that 29 level, or the 29,000 whole number. This could be an entry short to the 29 whole number. And we still got one more gap above us. Bro, the Nasdaq 5 minute is ugly, and the ES 5 minute is uglier. The three? Let me see. Oh, the 30. Holy shit! Yeah, yeah. But we do have two targets. We have the high of that 30 minute candle and the low. So we're at the bottom side of it, so we're probably gonna go take the low. So I'm kind of looking to get short again. Possibly right here. We just hit that moving average inside of a gap. How many points would this be? So the target would be 75 points away if we entered here. to the downside. Might try this.
Order filled.
Oh shit, my fucking headphone just died. Alright, I'm going break even on this trade real quick. I gotta fix something first. Hold up. Trailing. I don't know if you can hear me. My fucking phone thing just fucking died out.
Order filled.
I'm out. I'm up 200. Fuck, man. Alright, can you hear me? Fuck, what's this shit? Yeah, I might try this short again with one.
Order filled.
Yeah, for real. I'm short right now, targeting the 29,020 level.
Order filled.
Never mind. I'm taking out. I'm back up 140. Damn, bro, this price action is very rangy. Yeah, but that wouldn't really make no sense to me. Oh, I thought you were talking about like based off technicals. Yo, the ES 5 minute is terrible, bro. It's doji after doji. It's so, I mean, it could run higher. I don't even want to be a part of that anymore. You bought? Ugh. Yeah. I mean, this is a good area to enter short. I might try the short one more time here. It's very tricky. I'm liking this rejection though, to be honest with you. I'm
Order
in there.
filled.
Targeting that low. Stop is at 120. My stop is at the 120 level. Yeah, ES looks like it wants to come down. Hey, if it goes and stops me, I might walk away today. Just I would have made my loss back from yesterday. So it's just this this 5 minute is nothing but chop, bro. It's not good at all. Now if my TP hits, I'll still walk away. Because I'll be up a decent amount. I'm about to go break even on this trade. I just need it to go a little bit more. We gotta dump this gap right here. Have to. I'm going break even on this trade. I don't trust it anymore. It's got to get below this gap that we're in. And ES could have potentially just swept out 5 minute lows.
Order
I'm
filled.
out. Yeah, I might call it. I'm only up 144. 144. Yeah. It's probably gonna go. Damn, man. It's just the 5 minute looks so bad. I really don't want to try it because it can just come back up. But it looks like it wants to go hit these lows. I might scalp it. I'm gonna
Order
scalp it.
filled.
Stop at the high. Damn, alright.
Order filled.
Okay, now I'm out.
Order
Trying it one
filled.
more time. Just dump it. Yeah.
Order filled.
I'm down 109. Yeah. I'm down 109. Yeah, I tried that short with 3. Yeah. That 5 minute is horrible looking, bro. Holy shit. Yeah. Damn, I went from being up. What was I up? 200 or something? Yeah, that's just how it goes, man. This shit right here is so choppy, bro. That is so bad. What are you at right now? Sweet. I'm still trying to pass this eval, man. Yeah. Bro, we got to break this range. Have to. So I'm still going to look for a trade. I'm going to take it with a mini. Well, I don't even need a mini because I have good targets. They're pretty far away, so I still want to get short. I've taken a lot of trades though. I've already taken 6. Oh man. All right,
Order filled.
I'm in there, bro. I'm gonna trail it too.
Order
Oh, it already
filled.
got me.
Order filled.
Back at it. See if it dumps it. Finally. This should go. Oh my god! If we don't dump this gap, that would be crazy. Yeah, ES looks like it wants to go hit this low. We still got we got 5 points on ES to the downside to go, which is a good amount on Nasdaq. So I still like the trade. There we go. Oh no! Don't do that. Dude, I can't even secure. Just go. Come on, just go down. Let me get my profit back.
Order filled.
All right, I'm green. I might call it, bro. This is really bad PA. Ah.
Order filled.
ES is taking those lows right now.
Order filled.
ES just took those fucking lows. Um, I might call it, man. I made my loss back from yesterday, so this this 5 minute is just really bad. Damn, we still got more lows right there to take. I'm gonna try to scalp down to it. Oh my gosh.
Order filled.
All right, yeah, it's not even worth it anymore. Damn, it just did it. Okay. Um. Yeah. So I made my loss back from yesterday. So I'm still 590 away from passing this account, but this price action right here, I think it might just be because the FOMC minutes later today. So with that being said, I'm gonna be smart and I'm gonna just walk away, man. This is terrible. And I don't like scalping, which I've been doing all morning. Yeah. Damn, bro. We might run down to those equal lows on at Asia low, like I was saying earlier. Yeah. Fuck. Yeah, that 5 minute chop fest was difficult to trade, bro. And we're still holding it. Do you see that? We're still holding that 5 minute zone. Yeah, I'm looking at this right now. Hold on. This is this is my sign right here to just get off these charts. This is bad, bro. Look, that right there is trash. Yeah. Hey, but I made my loss back from yesterday, so I'm at least happy about that. The sad part is I did it on the first trade. Then I kept doing the other BS, and so I've lost about $30 in the process. But like all that stress just to lose $30, come on. I should have walked away off my first trade. I might. I'm gonna lock the account out, but I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna watch what price does because if it fully recovers from here, Jesus. So I guess my lesson today is you don't need to do a bunch of scalping. I made more money on my first trade than I did after all that fucking scalping. So should have just walked away after that one. But overall, FOMC minutes, I thought for sure that it would be decent price actions today, and way wrong, bro. Way wrong. So with that being said, I'm out of here.